how to cancel Uber. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can cancel Uber, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically the problem here is actually quite simple. If you happen to book a ride on Uber and then you would like to cancel it, it is normally cancelable within the first 5 minutes or 15 minutes of actually booking or placing the order. And if it's already past that, then what you can actually try to do is after you book a certain ride, you'll find the cancel option when you go to the account tab, or you can simply call the Uber's driver and ask him or her to cancel it. So because basically whenever you actually go ahead and then try to book a ride, and if someone accepts the ride, they will also show the number of that particular rider. In that case, you can simply try to call that rider and then cancel your order, or what you can do is you can do it manually if you go to your activities tab. This way you can cancel Uber. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.